Nagabenta ki khubor ba man kasni pet but subscribe ya u an.
Sure that such violence doesn't occur because this is not a new issue of tribals versus non-tribal.
You can't blame the government because this is fully the authority of the GHADC council. As I said to you, this council also they have got the legislative power. They have got judicial power. And also they do have the executive power, more or less like state government, more or less like the central government. So you can't say that the government's failure is there. That's why the law and order drop off. It is not like that. In fact, the GHADC council themselves, if they realize that, they should have had a special session discuss about this issue. Since they already knew it, why not they discuss this issue? Bring it to the GHADC council session and then pass it. Then the next course of action will happen. So therefore, even from the government side, we have no role to play. It is not the duty of the government to say that, hey, you have to pass or you have to do the amendment of this. It is not possible. In fact, they are the leaders. They are the one who has to understand where to amend or where to again incorporate all those existing regulations, laws, rules, and whatever they are.
What will be the take of the government?
Well, I think this is the subject is totally different. You can't link it to ILP because this one is not about the ILP. This is about the election to the Garo GHADC council.
But the NGO says that.
Well, the NGOs can say, but let me also say, you need to understand one thing. That's what I'm telling. Don't mix off with ILP because this one is what the NGO says. No non-tribal be allowed to participate in the election. They cannot file. They cannot file nomination. I think that is the aspiration of these people. So why should you link it with the ILP? And these people, so they are genuine citizens of Meghalaya, of India. So therefore, don't link it. Please, the link it is what? We don't want our friends non-tribal to file nomination. I think that is the agenda. Not that they don't want NPP or not that they don't want Congress or they don't want other political parties. But now the issue is what they said from all the NGOs. They said non-tribal should not participate in the election process as candidate. As of now, see, since we are yet to take any final conclusion about these issues, so I don't think I need to talk much about it because again, if you talk about the function of three GHADC council, it is not. They have a separate entity. They are completely autonomous to the state government. We are not here to dictate the GHADC council. So we have three GHADC council. As I said to you, they have their own legislative power. They have their own legislative judicial power, and also they have their own executive power. So since they have that, why should we from the state government step in? Why should we say do this? We can't do that. So let the members of the GHADC council themselves in the respective jurisdiction take a call.
Will there?
Right now we don't have, and then as I talk to you right now, in fact the situation has a little bit improved, and then even the